Top of the morning to you. You've landed on Golden Family. The family stands for family in Jamaican patois, Jamaican term. So the task I have for today is to go to PT. That PT formation is 0630 and that ends at 0730. So an hour out of physical training every day. That's how we do in the army. So after that, I'm gonna come back home, take a shower, put on my OCPs, and then go back to work at 9 for regular day-to-day activities. So if it's your first time being on this channel, please consider subscribing, giving a like, leaving a comment, and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. See, if you're athletic, or you have to get up like me every morning and go literally run for your boss. Times say you have to do PT and you want to improve your running. We just figured this out. And I want to make co-worker yesterday kind of hinted me on it. He never really explained in detail, but he hinted me on it. Why he runs so fast. So the trick is, listen up. You probably gonna need one watch. I can track your steps, and track your progress, whatever. I can track your heart rate. So what I do is, I keep my heart rate at one level. Don't exceed it. Anytime you see me I go too fast, I slow down. Bro, I just did 6 miles.
Alright, come people, we gotta work. Put on my pants already, shirt well tucky and neat. Put in like a belt, make sure say the waist tight, pants to the hip, not sagging. Put on my shirt well steam out. Not even use iron pan, the steam get out all the crush. Now put on my shoes now. I don't know about you, but if you tuck your OCP bottoms in your shoes, you're weird. You have to blouse that. Blouse it, that's the way to go. Put the laces around, you like that look style. I bet you never see that before. Look at that. Alright, now put on my PC now. Make sure so that's straight as possible. Alright, fix my cuffs, we're ready to go.
see how the next one is going to be. I'll raise, I'll start this in.
Go to need help.
Right here, so you're not forward.
Need to take this one out.
I think right here, new cells, these are the new cells, but these are the old cells want to come right there. That's the old style, those are the guys. It's easier to take one out. only going to use the bell right here, not the hook and the bell. You gotta get the hook. And the bell right here. It's always easier to just use the bell and everything.